In this video, I'm going to show you how to get welcome bonus in Melbet. The procedure is very simple to do. Before continuing the video, I'll invite you to create a Melbet professional account where you come and click on registration, then come and click on by email, which will be the full inscription. Now you will come right up to your promo code where you will enter the promo code BOTV, which will help you to get 300% of bonus at your first deposit. Meaning if you put an amount of $10, you will obtain $30. Continue the video. So after you have done you have put your promo code and you have done your first deposit of account with a considerable amount of money, you are going just to come and click here on your electronic purse. Now you will see at the level of main account, just down it will be the bonus account, whereby you will use that bonus account now. That bonus account with the money that is inside, which has been converted in a bonus money now, which will be used as the welcome bonus. The welcome bonus may appear just when by putting your promo code on Melbet. Now you are going to use that promo code and put a considerable amount of money so as to gain and benefit for a good amount of money or bonus money.